So, more on learning how to fly fish for the first time in the Kern River. Actually, learning how to fly fish for the first time ever. Part of this is natural for my education in plants and insects and everything, because I'm trying to determine what are the trout feeding on this time of year. Of course, when the water is this warm, they're not feeding on much of anything, but it would be nymphs floating near to the bottom of the water or the riverbed. It's too hot right now for the metamorphosis to take place where they would be turning into adults and sitting on the water. So the insects are basically in their juvenile stage, hypothetically floating at the bottom of the riverbed or through the water. Next, where are the trout going to be? Well, it's hard to say. It's the end of summer. I have no idea. Well, I have no idea because I've not been ever fishing in my adult life before. But I don't know how well plentiful they are in the river right now. But what you're looking for trout anyways is good oxygenated water. So you've got some nice little rapids right here, followed by a nice deeper stream. This is about the most ideal circumstances you can get. The question is, do I have the experience and the proper setup and talent, or is it just what everybody's been saying, that it's been too warm and the water's too warm? Trout like the water at about 55 degrees. I can assure you this is much warmer than 55 degrees. I would really like to have a floating chair and an ice cold 6-pack right now. That's what this water feels like. This is just nothing but joy. So, despite my amateurish efforts at casting here, some of them casts are getting much better, and you see, that's where I want it to be. Well, that's moving pretty fast over there. I've got it hanging down about 18 to 24 inches. And then just letting it drift down. I'll give it a few minutes more. I think I'm going to go to the power bait or salmon egg, something, change gears here. Yeah, right in there. Just nothing doing. You'd think that it would get some attention. I have two little nymphs on there. I'm just gonzo. I should have put a third one on there. If the rules say you can have 3, I'll have 3. Right back up there in the rapids. What do I intend to do with the fish? Release it. If it was a nice giant trout, yeah, it might make its way to the cookery, but by and large, I'm just out here to catch it and set it free. I did see a guy in town I'm not sure if his name is Cadillac Joe or just Cadillac. I'll just call him Cadillac Joe. Over in Kernville, he was cooking up some mean hot dogs, all beef, wrapped in bacon, sauerkraut. It was a damn fine big dog. So if you're passing through Kernville, Cadillac Joe has got his grill going right there on the main street from about 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. he says. But because the blues festival was going today, he thought he'd get in there. I told him if I caught something good, I'd bring it back and we'd throw it on the grill. Other than that, I have no interest in eating little trouts. I'd rather go get myself a nice halibut or something like that at the fish market, or go catch one. I have a lot more deep sea fishing experience when I was younger than freshwater experience, that's for sure. But it is very, very beautiful here. You can't waste your time fishing. Might not get anything, but it's not wasted time.